And in company news, M-PESA's introduction to the market in 2007 was marked by stiff opposition from commercial banks. Now, over a decade later, Kenyan banks are now trying to regain their competitive edge by setting up the Kenya Interbank Transaction Switch. Now, Equity's CEO James Mwangi made his case for why a system that settles transactions, even those involving cheques in real time, is a long overdue game changer. Here's what he said to CCTV's Ramah Nyang.
Banks lost transactions processing to the telecoms, and this is a step of regaining the transaction processing capability. What it will mean is that instead of using clearing house, where we only transact once every 24 hours, will now be interconnected real time. And so transaction processing from one bank to the other will happen 24 hours, 7 days a week. And that then will be allowing real-time interoperability between the banking system. That will then allow us maybe to digitize payments, particularly in the retail commerce level. And if we did that, then essentially what it would mean is that we would have digitized money, and goods and services will be exchanging hands, and money just changing exchanging positions to the back office of the banks from one account to the other. And the efficiency that it will deliver to the economy is enormous, because then we don't need to print the humongous amount of notes that we print. And two, the efficiency in terms of settlement will be instant.
So in short, say for example, if I have a check that I need settled ASAP, it would essentially happen once it's been deposited, assuming the funds are available, as opposed to the T+3 or T+4 system that we have right now.
In actual fact, your check will be translated into a digital transaction, and it will be instant. So the clearing will be T+0, and it's not even T+0, it's instant. And the funds are cleared and available to the recipient.
Right. Is Equity Bank taking part in the trials that I understand are happening right now amongst banks, checking to make sure that the system actually works as designed?
We were among the founding members, and essentially when we saw the switch was taking too long, then we decided to invest on the MVNO that delivered the same but in a different way. And then we interconnected all the banks through the ATM switch.